for so long, I've been waiting you. Waiting for your love and your body, oh. Come take up the money, oh. Pretty baby, I'm ready, oh. You love me for a very long time. You love me, you get to die, get to die. Without you,
Oh, hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is about how to combine colors. I'm going out for a children's birthday party, so I'm taking my children for a birthday party. So I just want to take you guys along with my outfit, what I'm gonna be rocking to the birthday party. I'm not gonna be wearing a heel because of something anyway, and also because it's gonna be in the park, so I don't think heels is really necessary for park party. So yeah, I've had my makeup done and my hair. This is not my natural hair. This is actually a wig. I got this wig from my very adorable hairstylist. She sells wigs as well. So I just found this. I was like, oh wow, like this looks really natural, like natural hair, and it's actually woman hair. And it's very affordable. Trust me, it's very affordable. Her name is Sari Hair Beauty. Like, you will love this wig. It's so soft. Like, look, it feels so soft. It doesn't tangle. It's so beautiful. So I said, you know what, this wig, I'm definitely gonna buy this wig. I really love it. It looks like your own natural hair. So for those of you that really love this, because I'm sure you will love this hair. Like, I'm sure you're loving it already on my head. So I'll put a contact down below for you to contact her for this hair. She have a lot, and trust me, it's moving so fast. Like, I've seen this hair on like 4 people that I don't even know them, but I know they make hair from her. She's so good, and she's so good in making hairs as well. You know, she's so good. Any type of hair, she can make it. She is so good. So I'll leave her contact down below in the description box. If you want anything, she sells creams as well, any Nigerian creams, and you know, blah blah blah, she sells them. So call her and you know, check her out. You will love her. She's so sweet, guys. Anyway, I feel like I'm talking too much. I don't want this video super long. I just want it short and, you know, on point. I just really want to pass on my message. So about today's video is about how to combine colors, so come along with me. Everything is done. It's just to put the dress on, and then, sorry, not dress. It's just to put my outfit on and show you guys. So check me out. My outfit for the day, right? I have this top with a doll baby or whatever, eyes and red lips, and I have this high waist jeans from Fashion Nova. Their jeans is the best jeans ever. And also, because this is black, I mean the top have a black sleeve, and the jeans, that's why I'm rocking it with black jeans as well. So I'm gonna rock this shoe with it because it's got multicolored. Is not just all black, you get what I mean? Because I don't want everything to be black, so I want something more colorful. So the heel of this shoe is multicolored, as you can see. So, and I'm gonna be matching it with this multicolored bag as well that blends with the shoe heel. Then I'm gonna be rocking this belt together with it. It's a multicolored buckle as well. So yeah, that is it. That is how to match colors. You don't just wear black, 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 black. If you're wearing something with a lot of black, then you need something more colorful to bring out the outfit, to make it have a lot of sense. You get what I mean? So yeah, guys, please, sorry about the baby giggle. That's what they do. They just don't want me to do anything. So yep, that's it. And the other one is carrying my shoe already. Oh, that is what I go through, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna pop this on and show you what it looks like on me. Love ya. Guys, all done. This is my outfit. Yeah, I'm putting on a crazy jeans because the top looks too serious already, so I need something crazy to, you know, match it up. So this is my outfit. This is what it looks like, and that is everything. That's my belt, that's my shoe. So see you guys next week.